Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop and shout out especially kay Sir John Paul. Sir, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. So ito na po ang inyong unit sir na Hi-Kappa 2011 Hi-Kappa T-Rex na merong full automatic. So ayan siya, 5.1 WE 5.1 Hi-Kappa T-Rex. Made in Taiwan siya. So, this is the selector. Ayan, this is the selector for semi and full auto. So, pag binaba mo yung switch, that's full automatic. And pag inangat mo yung switch, that's semi-automatic. Okay? And then, meron siyang manual safety and beaver tail safety. All working po yan. Yung dalawa na yan. Okay? Later on, i-try natin yung manual safety and yung beaver tail safety. Okay? So, yung kanyang magazine, lagyan ko na ng BBs with gas na rin. This is a 30 rounder capacity. And then, naka-magwell na siya. Stippled grip design. Serrations on front and rear. And then, naka-fiber optic sight na siya. Rear and front. Ayan. Cut on slide. So, ayan. And then, it comes with the plate for optic, no? Meron na siyang kasamang plate. Yung kanyang owner's manual. Yung free niya na 0.23 grams, 4,000 shots. And yung free rin na green gas, standard power, number 12. Kasama na sa package. Yung gas at BBs. Okay, this is your unit, sir. Ayan. Hi-Kappa 5.1 Type K, T-Rex. Hi-Kappa 2011 T-Rex. Okay? O, naka-fiber optic sight. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng accessory rail. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng yung accessory rail niya, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng flashlight. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng lasers, mga accessories. And then, yan, yung kanyang barrel, outer barrel is threaded po yan. May thread po yan for kung gusto nyo lagyan ng suppressor, silencer, yung design ganun. So, gusto nyo lagyan ng tracer unit, yan, pwede siya. Okay? So, malakas po ang Hi-Kappa T-Rex. So, ngayon, i-try natin yung manual safety. So, kailangan, bago mo siya, sir, ma-activate yung manual safety, kailangan nakakasa or nakababa yung kanyang hammer. Then, tsaka mo siya ma-activate. Okay? So, pag binaba ko yan, that's safety off. Pag inangat, safety on. Pag binaba, safety off. So, pwede na siyang pumitik. Yun. Okay? And then, yung pangalawang safety features niya, ito. So, kahit nakababa siya, so, pwede na siyang pumitik. Pero, pag hindi siya engage, yan, hindi siya gumagana. Kapag diniinan ko to, yan, gumagana siya. Pag hindi ko diniinan, hindi gagana yung, kumbaga hindi siya puputok. Hindi siya puputok. Kasi, hindi engage yung beaver tail. Yan. Kailangan engage yan. Pag ginawakan mo kasi yan, that's the time na pwede siyang, lulubog siya. Yan. Engage na siya. So, that's the time na pwede siya puputok. Pero, kung hindi siya engage, hindi siya puputok. Okay, so working ang beaver tail natin, working ang manual safety. Kasi the other side, ito yung selector, fire mode. Yung manual, yung semi and yung full auto. Okay? So, ayan. So, yung Hi-Kappa T-Rexer. Okay? So, ngayon, magte-test fire tayo. So, nilagyan ko na ito ng gas eh. So, dali lang ng paglagay ng gas. Ito lang. Ayan. Kailangan nakatuon lang ng maayos para hindi lumabas yung gas. So, nakadepende po sa inyo kung paano nyo siya lalagyan. Nakita ganyan. Okay, 3 segundo lang. Kasi malakas ang T-Rex. Pag maraming gas, nagbo-blow back siya yung nag-uusok-usok. Okay, Sir John Paul, test part tayo ng unit mo, sir. Hi-Kappa T-Rex with full automatic. Okay, Sir John Paul, test for tayo ng Hi-Kappa T-Rex. Ayan. Okay, so let's try first the semi-automatic. Okay, firing. Okay, now let's try the full automatic. Okay, firing. Wow, lakas talaga ng T-Rex. Lupit ng palo. Lakas pumalo ng T-Rex. Okay, Sir John Paul, okay ng unit. So ngayon, dahil wala na siyang bala, erase lang natin magazine. So ganun mag-iitsura, no, pag wala ng bala. Yan. Pero may gas pa yan. Okay, so adalayan nyo lang, sir, para hindi mapudpud agad yung slide, stop, slide, release. Babaan nyo lang tong slide, stop, slide, release, and then release. Hammer down. Okay, Sir John Paul, okay na po yung unit nyo, sir. Hi-Kappa T-Rex with full automatic features. Kung may question pa po, mag-message lamang sa aming page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. And then, yung aming website, guys, on Pilot Pace. So, matatapos na rin yung aming website. So, abangan nyo lang. Pwede kayong mag-browse doon sa aming website. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.